I feel like maybe we should just spend 30 seconds on the risks,
Yeah,
from an AI perspective, when you give it all the data and then one day it turns rogue and I don't know, there's all these movies you watch where AI has turned rogue. So
yeah.
just 1 minute, what do you think about that? And how comfortable are you sharing all that level of access?
So our data is already there. It's already out there. It's already being used to train a lot of these models and things like that. Um, I I would not be too concerned about AI taking over the world. I am more concerned a lot of times about the small mistakes that it could do, like with misinformation and directing people to the wrong direction rather than that, like giving you the wrong information. And this is the LLMs, but I think right now, as we are moving towards a world of agents, right? So now we've moved away from just you querying things to generating agents which now interact with each other. Actually, one of the biggest risks I see is in the cybersecurity space, where now that actually they're saying a lot of the content online and the traffic is actually agents, right? Having conversations with each other. And it's going to become more and more like that, where literally, you will not be going on Amazon. Your agent will be going onto the Carrefour app and buying for you what you need every month and paying the Carrefour agent. So, like, there literally almost be no humans. So, I see a risk where an agent that is built by someone who's malicious will put in will end up convincing other agents to do some, crazy stuff or like to infect other machines. And so that means like there's a huge cybersecurity risk in that, which could cascade and affect, economics and other things. And also like our overly trusting some of this AI, where it could make a mistake. But of course, there's a lot of work being done around
Mm.
protecting this. So I'm more about the situations where you have too much trust in some of the algorithms, and then you end up arresting someone because it couldn't
Mm.
tell the person different black people apart, and then so someone gets arrested. And so this has been the case in a number of countries. So those are the risks that I'm more worried about. This ones of like where we trusted these models too much,
Yeah, yeah.
rather than existential ones of like the end of the world and things like that. That's still quite some distance away, right? Because now you have people like Nikon, we have like Fei Li and everyone who have also shown
Yeah.
that there's limitations to LLMs right now. We need world models. So yeah,
Mm.
that's where I
Wow.
see more of the risk.
Actually, I think there's a sci-fi movie that just came out last year about this guy who's being told, I think the AI decides that he has to prove his innocence to the AI. I
Mm.
think I'm going to watch that movie. I need to.
Yeah, I watched it recently as well. Yeah. So
Okay.
honestly, it's a tool. It's a tool, and the same way you could use a hammer to hurt someone, or to build a really beautiful cabinet for storing
Mhm.
your books and knowledge and things like that, then you
Yeah.
can also use a hammer to destroy a house, right? So it's very similar. If you have an automated hammer, you could let it could do some things, some damage. So that's how I usually
Okay.
see it.